Hello everybody, it's Marion Yau from the Harley Medical Foot and Nail Clinic, aka Miss Foot Fixer. We have this patient with a very stubborn fungal infection, and we can see little tiny patches of fungal infection inside, and these are called dermatotophthalma, which is patches of fungus, and sometimes they're really difficult to get rid of. This patient has gone on 5 months of itraconazole, and usually it would take 3 months to clear on a small digit. So what we made a decision to do is to remove the nail because it's not working. All the other ones are doing really well. You can see they're nice and clear. So what we're going to do today is just remove it, and we're going to use our elevator. Really easy, going inside just like that. Going on to the other side. Fantastic. And I also don't want to cause too much irritation in the cuticle, so I don't want to jam my elevator inside into the nail root because you'll disturb the nail matrix and cause a lot of damage. So just be mindful when you do nail surgery for a infection of the nail for it to grow back. I don't like to pull from the middle because if I pull from the middle, I can split the nail matrix. So I usually go click, turn, and you can see naturally the nail root comes out. And you can see it's a very deep nail root, isn't it? Because you wouldn't expect that. Clip, turn, and it comes off.
Beautiful.
Okay, beautiful. All in one piece. There we go. Remove that. Let's have a look at that. That's the fungus. Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, inside. Nails off. We're just cleaning the nail bed. Can you get me a 15 baby? What we can see is we've got a little bit of damage of the nail bed. We've got some scar tissue on the nail bed, so I'm just going to clean that out as much as I can. And again, being really gentle, being very gentle, visually kind of removing these impurities. Scar tissue, dead tissue, fibrous tissue, superficial fungus, deep fungus. I'm okay. I think I'm done. Yep, also can I have some cleaning set, please? Which is 11, 12. Check for returning of blood. Yep, it's coming back vascular. Might not need gauze with this. This is the longest dressing. We're getting there. The V there is useful.
Yeah.
Just fits really well.
The sprinkling.
Yeah. Yeah, fantastic. Excellent. Yes.